How to add a money on Kirin. Today we will explore the steps on how to add money to your Kirin account. Kirin is a popular gaming platform and funding your account is essential to enjoying the feature. Begin by launching the Kirin app on your device. Once the app opens, log into your account using your credential. And if you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. I already have logged in. After logging in, you will be taken to this type of interface. Now look for the buy option on your screen, which is right over here. Tap on it and under buy you can see a various options to swap the coins. What you have to do is simply tap on one of the options. Let's tap on this one. Then you will be prompted to add a credit or a debit card in order to buy the coins. Select one of them. Once you have selected your payment method, you will need to enter the amount you wish to add or with which you want to buy the coins. Make sure to review the minimum and maximum deposit limits for your chosen method. After entering the amount, proceed to confirm the transaction. Review any fees associated with your chosen payment method and ensure all the details are correct before finalizing the deposit. Once the transaction is complete, check your wallet balance to confirm that the fund has been added successfully. It may take a few seconds for the balance to update. Following this step will enable you to add money to your Kirin account smoothly. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.